Begin the installation of your SmartBoard MX200 series interactive display by finding the illustrated instructions in the box. You can also download these instructions from the Smart Technologies support site. This video shows the procedure for installing the 65-inch display. The procedures for the 75 and 86-inch displays are slightly different. The illustrated instructions describe the differences. Before you install the wall mount, consider the type of installation and the average height of the people who will use the display. The standard installation height is 55 inches or 140 centimeters from the floor to the center of the viewing area. The SmartBoard MX200 comes with a wall mount. Loosen the screws that secure the wall mount to the display brackets and remove the wall mount. Don't remove the screws completely. Follow the illustrated instructions to install the wall mount. Be sure to use the correct hardware for the type of wall. After the mount is secured, get another person to help you lift the display onto the wall mount. Tighten the screws that secure the display to the wall mount. Attach the display's two antennas. If you are connecting a computer to the display, connect the video and USB cables to the connector panels located on the left and bottom of the display. You can also use the front connector panel. Connect the power cord to the back of the display. Plug the other end of the power cord into an outlet. Plug an Ethernet cable into the display to connect the display to a network with internet access. After the display is turned on, it can download and install system software updates. Place the display's pens on the magnetic pen tray on the front of the display. Put the batteries in the remote. Turn on the display's power switch. The switch is located in different places on the different sizes of display. See the illustrated instructions for more information. Set up the IQ system by following the on-screen instructions. If you didn't connect an Ethernet cable to the display, connect the display to a Wi-Fi network with internet access so the display can download and install system software updates. Or you can download the updates from Smart's website and update the display with a USB drive. To take advantage of your display's full interactive capabilities, you'll need to install Smart product drivers and software on the connected computer. Your SmartBoard comes with a license for Smart Learning Suite software. Finally, check the firmware on your SmartBoard to make sure it's up to date. Visit the support site for more information. Your SmartBoard MX200 series interactive display is now ready to use. For more tips and tricks, subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit smarttech.com.